Everyone talks about making money while you sleep, but most people don't realize it's possible when you set up the right system. With AI Scale Stock, you can automate an online income stream that works for you, even when you're not at your desk. Here's how it works. Instead of spending hours posting on social media, running ads, or creating products, AI Scale Stack helps you build an email list, the most powerful asset in online business. Why? Because your email list is something you own, and it keeps growing in value over time. Inside AI Scale Stack, you get a simple video course that walks you through the setup step by step, so you're never left guessing. But the real magic is in the Inbox Ignition Pack. This includes 4 AI bots that act like your personal assistants. One creates your brand name, another defines your perfect audience, a third builds your email voice so you sound authentic, and the last one actually writes your emails in minutes. That means you don't have to be a writer, a marketer, or a tech expert. You just spend a few minutes a day, let the AI do the heavy lifting, and your system keeps running even while you sleep. If you're ready to finally set up an online income stream that works on autopilot, use my link in the description and sign up for AI Scale Stock today. Don't wait. Lock in your spot now before the price goes up. And start building a system that pays you even while you sleep.